This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shoni Fortes. Don't miss out on this exceptional 3-bedroom brick ranch nestled in a peaceful cul-de-sac. Boasting a charming exterior, this residence comes with a brand new roof and heat pump replaced just 2 years ago. The oversized 2-car garage provides convenient parking and storage options, accommodating your vehicles and belongings with ease. The large backyard is great for entertaining family and friends with the fragrant aroma of a mature Muscadine grapevine. Situated in Suffolk, this location offers a wonderful balance of tranquility, providing a peaceful retreat. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. For more information, review the details below.